Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video where we will be comparing two highly popular cameras. But before we dive into the comparison, make sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. When it comes to image quality, both the Panasonic LUMIX GX85 and the Canon EOS M50 Mark E deliver exceptional results. The GX85 boasts a 16-megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor with no low-pass filter, resulting in a near 10% boost in fine detail resolving power. On the other hand, the EOS M50 Mark E features a 24.1-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, which offers impressive clarity at higher ISO settings. If you're into videography, both cameras have some fantastic features. The GX85 offers 4K QFHD video recording, Lumix 4K photo, and 4K post-focus options. Meanwhile, the EOS M50 Mark E provides 4K UHD 24p and HD 120p slow-motion capabilities. Whether you prefer versatile 4K options or smooth slow-motion footage, both cameras have you covered. When it comes to autofocus, both cameras excel. The GX85 features class-leading dual-image stabilization with 5-axis stabilization that works in both photo and video recording. This ensures clear handheld shots, even in low-light conditions. Additionally, the EOS M50 Mark E offers improved dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF, providing fast and accurate focus tracking for both stills and videos. In terms of convenience and connectivity, both cameras have some impressive features. The GX85 has a live viewfinder and a tilting LCD display, allowing you to easily frame your shots from different angles. On the other hand, the EOS M50 Mark E comes with a vari-angle touchscreen LCD, perfect for vlogging and composing shots. Additionally, both cameras offer built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology for seamless connectivity. And that concludes our comparison between these two amazing cameras. Both the Panasonic LUMIX GX85 and the Canon EOS M50 Mark E have their strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preference and specific needs. Let us know in the comments which camera you prefer or if you have any questions. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, happy shooting!